Here with Sean and Carrie today for another installment of TSS's YouTube video. We're going to take a look at the Texas Silencer Company's Hunter. This is their proprietary 7.62, well, 30 caliber can. It can be used for a lot of different calibers, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at it. So first of all, you'll notice it's for sale at Total Shooting Sports for the low price of $629.99. And it comes in this beautiful wooden box.
Ooh, that is nice.
Isn't it? It's really nice. And then it comes with its own case, which inside of it has their owner's manual. All right, so let's take a look at what comes with your suppressor. You get this beautiful carrying case. You get your end cap removal tool. You get a 223 end cap, has a 308 end cap already installed. Comes with your standard 5/8 by 24 thread pitch, meaning it'll fit on most US threaded rifles. You can get an adapter if you have different ones. Also, it comes with this informational and your lifetime unconditional warranty that will replace it no matter what. And everything is made here, right here in the United States. This is made right here in North Texas and Weatherford. In a second, we'll get out on the range and shoot it. All right, we're here with the Texas Silencer Company Hunter. We're gonna go ahead and put some rounds down range, some 308 rounds through a Savage Model 110.
Alrighty.
See how quiet it is? That's pretty quiet.
Very nice.
It's actually really quiet.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. Go ahead.
So as you can see, we still had pretty tight groups. It did give us point of impact shift, but it didn't mess with the accuracy of the rifle. So as long as you sighted in for the can, you'd be fine at range.